Okay, let's look at page 18 now, okay? I'm starting at the top where it says interval. So that word interval, if you want to look at that, that means the distance between two keys or two notes, okay, from the first to the last. So for instance, they're showing you the C and the E, okay? We call that an interval of a third. So you always count with starting the first note and the last note. So 1, 2, 3, okay? So that's those two notes, that's called an interval, or the spacing. They call it interval of a third, okay? And so if you play them together, that's called blocked, B-L-O-C-K-E-D. And then if you do them separately, that's broken. So blocked is together, broken is separate, all right? And so if you look in the music, if you look in the book where it says blocked or broken, you'll see the C and the E separate, and then you see them together. So they're stacked on top of each other. So when it's on the same stem, that line going up and down connecting, that's connected to the note head, then you play them at the same time, okay? So like that. Okay, so you can practice doing that, just playing 1 and 3 together. Okay, just practice that so that gets easy. Okay, all right. Once you can do that, then go on, continue on and play. Okay, so the next thing is the right hand interval warm up. Okay, so that's kind of what we're doing, I guess. Okay, and then below that, where you have all the notes kind of going up the page, up to the right, it says right hand, forte. All right, and you just follow it. You're going to play the first finger, the third finger, and then you play them together. You can see how you have broken, you have C and E broken up, separate, and then you have C and E together. So we play separate, so you play the C, E, and then you play them together. And then you're going to move up the piano, move to the next group of 2 black notes, and find that C, E, together. And then you keep going up, C, E, together, C, E, together. So I'm sure you can, even though you can't see me, you understand what I'm saying. So you just 4 times on the keyboard, going up in four different octaves, in front of the group of 2, doing the C and the E. Okay, and say the letters: C, E, C, E, C, E, C, E, C, E, C, E. Now notice when we're doing the blocked fingers, the chord, together like that, I'm saying C, E. I'm still saying C, E, but I'm saying it rhythmically so that it takes up 2 beats, okay? So you could also count 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, okay? So you can practice that counting, but you want to try to get those half notes as well, as opposed to just going and just playing it randomly, okay? Try to do it in a rhythmic fashion. So counting or saying the letters in a rhythmic fashion like I started with is fine, okay? Now the left hand, you'll do this kind of a similar thing with the left hand, okay? I think this goes on to the next page. Nope, it doesn't. Okay, so you do the same. You can do the same thing with the left hand. The whole point is practicing the 1 and the 3. Make sure you're using fingers 1 and 3, and understanding that this is a third. Okay, when you have that 1 note in between or 1 letter in between. So C, skip D, E, C to E. That's a third. Okay, it doesn't matter where it is on the piano. If you do these, those are all thirds, okay?